Yo, welcome back, YouTube. So today we are about to react to this video. Dang, I cannot talk, bro. Why is this always the second, bro? If y'all notice, bro, on my second video, every single time I always end up stuttering, bro. It's a problem, bro. I think I got like some type of illness or something, some type of disorder. Oh, we about to be reacting to Tanner Adell, Buckle Bunny from the block performance. Okay. I had to make sure I read all that right. It's a little country, you know, little country. I'm sticking my foot into a little bit of country. But without too much being said, let's go ahead and react to this video. All right, now, Shorty. Why are you running like that? Oh, that made my stomach hurt.
I'm at the mini mart in a mini skirt, about to steal your man in a torn up t-shirt. This ain't the Hamptons, we all got tramp stamps, acrylic covered in barbecue at the line dance. Gassed up, throw me in a saddle, spin me like a spur, make my snake skin rattle. Sassed up, round 'em like cattle, looking like Beyonce with a lasso. I'm a buckle bunny, drive my own truck, got my own money. Bang with the chaw, so I talk funny.
Okay.
Rhinestone hat says Kentucky.
Kentucky. Buckle Bunny. Hey. Whoa.
Ain't a whole cake, let them know crummy. Bottle bleach bomb, but I'm no dummy. Big bag porch, but a little tummy.
Little.
Nothing from me.
Nah.
Buckle bunny.
Buckle Bunny. What that mean, y'all? What that mean?
Maple stirrups, banana pudding, where the Wrangler put it, sterling silver. Now give me more. Watch the buckle hit the floor. Porsche for me, he blowing it back. BB on a custom tag, hot pink on pink is red. BB on teeth, he snapped. Let him spoil me, boy, no, I'm a cheapskate. To the factory, buy me a cheesecake. If you buy me cheesecake, I'ma holler. Big boy, big blick, blue collar. Well, I could buy it on myself anyway. Pan game, cash, Hemingway, but I like my luckies thrifted. Casey's thrifted, buckle thrifted, bunny gifted.
Oh, she was spitting.
Throw me in a saddle, spin me like a spur, make my snake skin rattle.
What you mean by that?
Round 'em like cattle, looking like Beyonce with a lasso. I'm a buckle bunny, drive my own truck, got my own money. Bang with the chaw, so I talk funny. Rhinestone hat says Kentucky. I'm a buckle bunny, I'm a buckle bunny. Ate the whole cake, let them know crummy. Bottle bleach blonde, but I'm no dummy. Big bag porch, but a little tummy. Can't take nothing from me. I'm a buckle bunny.
Okay.
Gassed up, throw me in a saddle, spin me like a spur, make my snake skin rattle. Sassed up, round 'em like cattle, looking like Beyonce with a lasso. I'm a buckle bunny, drive my own truck, got my own money. Bang with the chaw, so I talk funny. Rhinestone hat says Kentucky. I'm a buckle bunny, I'm a buckle bunny. Ate the whole cake, let them know crummy.
All right, she killing this. I like this though.
Blonde, but I'm no dummy. Big bag porch, but a little tummy. Can't take nothing from me. I'm a buckle bunny.
And she pretty as a mud too. And she pretty as prettier than a mud. Prettier than a mud. Oh yes, baby. Let me know if y'all like this. I low key like it. I low key like it. Like I said, I'm just dipping my feet into a little bit of you know, country, you feel me? But I feel like that's more for girls though, you feel me? So if y'all got something like some heartfelt nigga stuff, let me know. You feel me? I wanna hear, man, I just wanna hear some stuff, man. I'm going through something right now, but if you guys like her reaction to the video, make sure to put on the notification, be notified when I put my video. I'll see you guys in the next video.